Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we are here at Colaba for a street shopping. I don't remember the last time I did a street shopping, but I'm very excited and I hope I get something good because last time when I came to Colaba I didn't find some such good stuff over here. But yeah, I have got some good accessories. So yeah, let's go. So I'm here with my friend Ujwala. Hello. So as we enter the lane, I was so surprised with the collection. It was all new trendy ones and the comfy ones also. Then I saw this jackets for 500 only. That was crazy. हाँ 150 ठीक है प्लेन वाला में आता है हाँ ना भैया दे दो ऑल्सो द ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन वॉज सो गुड उनके पास सब अलग अलग कलर्स डिज़ाइंस में ईयरिंग्स थे एंड द नेक पीसेस वे ऑल्सो सो गुड बट वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही प्राइस बताते हैं सो गाइज प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू बार्गेन Also, if you want some really good vintage stuff for home decor, then you should definitely visit here because यहाँ पे इतने सारे collections थे that you're gonna be confused what to take. Okay, so the best thing what I like about Colaba was the bag collection. They were so pretty, classy and trendy, and also they have so many colors in it. So if you're planning for a vacation and you need some good dresses to wear, you should definitely check out here. They were so good, amazing dresses. Okay guys, so we are done. अरे इधर लाइट अच्छा है. Okay guys, so we are done with the Colaba street shopping. और इस मैडम को उधर इतने अच्छे कपड़े नहीं लगे. So we are going to Linking Road, Bandra. तो let's see वहाँ पे कुछ मिलता है. Finally अभी कुछ खा रहे हैं. कैसे? Nice. Hey guys, so as you guys know, I went yesterday to Colaba and after that Bandra. So before starting this haul, I just want to say you some important things. Okay, so the first thing is please don't go on Sundays because Sundays पे I guess वो bargain बिल्कुल नहीं करते, like बहुत ही कम करते हैं. And I was like भैया थोड़ा तो कम करो and he was like no आज Sunday है. So please don't go on Sundays. I did a very big mistake. But you guys don't go on Sundays. Also the second thing is कोलाबा में बहुत सही कलेक्शन मिल रहा था like this time like कभी भी मैं जाती हूँ मेरे को कभी कुछ अच्छा मिलता ही नहीं है वहाँ पे but this time it was good, pretty good, like expected ही नहीं था इतना अच्छा था. But those who are planning to go to Goa, Bali, उनके लिए तो बहुत ही काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे collections थे. So if you guys planning then please go check out once in Colaba. You will get a pretty good stuff. हाँ. So also मेरे को बांद्रा में भी when we went to बांद्रा वहाँ पे भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे टॉप्स है like for 150 and all and I like that also कोलाबा में कैसा था कि सब शॉप्स पे सेम ही कलेक्शन दिख रहा था मेरे को बट बांद्रा में मेरे को बहुत अलग अलग कलेक्शंस मिले एंड दैट वाज गुड. कुर्तीज़ वगैरह काफ़ी अच्छे हैं सो इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग टू बाय सम कुर्तीज़ सो डेफिनेटली गो टू बांद्रा. Okay, so let's start with the haul. Okay guys, so first I'm gonna show you what I got from Colaba. Okay, so the first thing which I got was this top which I got it for 180 and yehi top same I saw in Bandra and it was for 150. I'm like what? But I wanted. Okay, the next thing which I got is this top. It's a pretty brown. I like this color though. I don't have anything in this color and when I saw this I was like let's give it a try. So it's pretty cute top. Yeah, so I got this top for 200 and I like this. It's too good. It looks so good and the material is also so good. So okay, so the next thing which I got is this pair of jeans. Also the best part is it's high-waisted and I was like मेरे को ना कोलाबा से मतलब कोई भी स्ट्रीट शॉप से जीन्स लेने को like I'm very scared of because उनका फिटिंग सही नहीं रहता है but I love this jeans. It's so well fitted and it's so comfy and it looks so good and I got this one for 400. Okay, so the next thing I got is this black glaze. I really wanted a black glaze for so long because I don't have something in black, and it looked so good. So yeah, I got this for 200 and I think it's a pretty good deal. So yeah. Okay guys, the next thing is something which I'm in love with. I'm so in love, like I'm gonna use to wear that every day. Like wherever I go out, I'm gonna take this baby with me, which is this. Look at this. Oh, okay. Look at this. This looks so pretty, classy, dude. When I saw this bag, I was like, dude, I need to get this. You need to have something in black sling bag. And I was so in love with this when I saw this. But क्या हुआ? मैंने the भैया said this price was for 800 something उन्होंने बोला. And I was like, no, 400. So he's like, no, 400 में तो आएगा ही नहीं. That on वो वही चालू था भैया का, 400 में नहीं आएगा करके. I was like, नहीं 400 में आ जाएगा. Then he was not ready. मतलब मैं 10 मिनट वहाँ पे रुक के बार्गेन कर रही थी, भैया प्लीज़ दे दो, प्लीज़ दे दो. And he was like, no. तो मैं वहाँ से चली गई. And क्योंकि मेरे को लगा आगे मिल ही जाएगा कहीं पे भी कम में. So I was searching for it. मैं इतना दूर तक चल के I was searching for it, but मेरे को मिला ही नहीं ऐसा सेम बैग. And I was like, dude. और वो अंकल के पास ये खाली एक ही बैग था, लास्ट पीस इन अ ब्लैक कलर. और I was like, dude, वो भी चला जाएगा. I want it. I don't know, but I want it. So I went back to that uncle and got this pretty baby. So I got this for 500 guys. I know 500, but I'm pretty sure मैं अगर मॉल से वगैरह लेती तो 2000 के अंडर तो आता ही नहीं. So it's a good deal. Look at this. I so like this. Okay, so the next thing is this neck piece. Look at this. It looks so cute. It has a heart over here. So I got this for 50 rupees and I got one more which is in this black. Okay, I really like this one. Got another neck piece which is this one, which is so in trend right now, and I like, dude, ye to chahiye. So yeah, this one I got it for 100 rupees. Okay guys, so that's it for Colaba haul, and now I'm gonna show you what I got from Bandra Linking Road. From Bandra Linking Road, the first thing which I got was this top. Look at this. This looks so classy, and seriously ये पहनने के बाद तो इतना अच्छा लगता है ना. So yeah, I love the print. Also, again, I don't have something in like this prints. I never wore something like this. So yeah, and I got this for 200. वहाँ पे like from Bandra Linking Road 200. वहाँ पे वो fix rate था 200 करके. एक shop पे 200 करके like सब कुछ 200 में मिल रहा था. So I got this. Okay, from the same shop, I got this. I don't have something in white shirt, you know, and I wanted it, and I got this for 200. You know, you can style so many ways in a white shirt, and I so wanted it. The material is so good. I really like the material. It's so good. And so also I like the design over here. Look at it. Okay, so the next thing which I got from Bandra is this chikankari kurti. Not a short kurti, whatever you say, but look at this color. Again, I don't have something in red, and I was searching for something in red like top mein, but फिर मेरे को ये I saw this kurti. And I was like, dude, I have to take this one. And it looks so good. But ये कुर्ती मेरे को अभी भी लग रहा है मेरे को बहुत महंगी पड़ी. But again, I like this and I wanted it. Like हम लोग 3-4 shops में घूमे और they were like, हम कुछ 800 कुछ बोला वो भैया ने. And I was like, नहीं, फर्स्ट आई सेड 350 बट यू लाइक नो 350 में कहीं वो मिलेगा ही नहीं. And I was like, dude, I so need this. This looks so pretty. तो हम लोग उस शॉप से निकल गए एंड देन 2-3 शॉप्स में और घूमे, तो फिर वो सब वही रेट बता रहे थे. एंड वी सेड देन एक शॉप में ही वॉज लाइक लास्ट 500. सो मैंने बोला नहीं चलो 400 तो कर दो भैया, ऐसे मत करो 400 कर दो. बोले नो 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 नो, कहीं पे भी नहीं. Then I finally got this kurti in 500. I know I still feel like मेरे को और कम में मिल जाता, but कहीं मिल ही नहीं रहा था. And I don't want to like, I really wanted something. I don't have something like this again. So yeah, I got this for 500. Yeah, you heard it right. Okay, so the next thing which I got was this white jeans. I had a white jeans so, but वो बहुत ख़राब हो चुका था and I really wanted a new one. And I saw this. Also, this is the high-waisted jeans, and yeah, I got this for 400. It's a good deal, I think. Also, from Bandra, I got this full set of neck piece only for 100. और यही चीज़ मैंने कोलाबा में देखा था. सो द गाय वाज सेइंग मी दैट एक खाली एक पीस यू विल गेट फॉर 100. एंड व्हाट. सो गाइज बी अवेयर, ये पूरा सेट मेरे को 100 में मिला है. एंड आई गॉट दिस फॉर माई फ्रेंड जागृति एंड दिस इज सो प्रीटी. आई फॉरगॉट. ओके, सो द लास्ट वन आई गॉट इज दिस cute top. I like the color though, and also this is so soft. And I got this for only 100 rupees and it's a pretty good. It looks good also. Best part is इसका material इतना soft and इतना अच्छा है ना. So yeah. Okay guys, so that's it for this haul and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please, if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And let me know if you guys want some more haul videos and I'll definitely do it. So yeah guys, so I'll see you into the next video. Bye.